The idea of machine learning, where the machine can learn things without being explicitly programmed, is fantastic. Have you ever considered how machine learning might be applied to electrical industry?
Hello everyone, welcome to Tutort Academy's YouTube channel. My name is Alankar and I have got for you a new case study on application of machine learning in electrical engineering projects.
Number 1. Smart grid using machine learning. When a fault occurs, a smart grid ensures that everything is handled automatically. To simplify operations, machine learning can be used in smart grid. The implementation of numerous machine learning techniques in smart grid applications has been made possible by the continual advancement of computational methods, particularly in data management and analysis. It complements the smart grid system, which is based on data collection, analysis, and decision making as the last component. The smart grid can operate as intended because machine learning techniques offer an effective approach to assess data and then make the right operational decisions. Among the features of machine learning are predictions of consumption price, power generation, future optimum scheduling, fault detection, and detection of network intruders. Number 2. Battery management using machine learning. The battery management system is a tool that will keep track of battery's voltage, temperature, and other data. You can use machine learning techniques to keep track of these factors and to take the appropriate measures. Electrical vehicles and smart grids are just two examples of high power applications that frequently use lithium-ion battery packs and require battery management systems. Battery state estimation, defect detection, monitoring, and control functions are required for battery management implementations, which require both software and hardware. Systematic use of cutting-edge machine learning techniques is found in battery management systems. Number 3. Home automation using machine learning. A home automation system regulates the temperature, appliances, entertainment systems, and lights. The Internet of Things is made up of these gadgets and sensors because they are linked together by a common infrastructure. Multiple control devices are connected to a centralized server by a home automation system. A tablet or smartphone application can be used to access the user interface for controlling and monitoring these devices, which can also be accessed from a distance. Ideally, anything that can be networked can be automated and remotely managed. Artificially intelligent devices that can adapt to their surroundings and occupants' action are required for smart homes. In order to anticipate future behaviors and reduce user engagement, these systems must carefully examine user requirements and environmental variables. In terms of being smart, traditional home automation systems that only allow for remote access and control fall short. Several different machine learning algorithms combined with computer vision create a smart learning automated system that regulates lighting, sound, and other devices based on users' needs and actions. Number 4. Fault detection using machine learning. Transmission and distribution lines frequently experience faults. In these situations, machine learning methods can be used to identify the exact location of the defect. Sensors that gather data on the product they supply are gradually being integrated into industrial systems like the Internet of Things. The ability to manage all these data and execute solutions in real time enables benefit to be extended through a more exact maintenance procedure. The first indication of a problem may validate the reliability and security of business systems and reduce the likelihood of unforeseen failures. Number 5. Control system using machine learning. In our lives, control systems are essential. They can be found everywhere, from mobile phones to the precise navigational systems used by airplanes. Any control system's main job is to stabilize the system while bringing it to a predefined point specified by the user. The design of control systems employs a variety of techniques including PID algorithms, fuzzy logic controllers, neural network controllers, and others. A considerable amount of historical data is necessary for machine learning, which is crucial technique for analyzing time series data and may be used to forecast the future states of any dynamic system. This essential characteristics of machine learning based predictive algorithms can be used to stimulate a variety of non-linear dynamic systems in order to ensure system stability and seek continual improvement in system response.
So these were the application of machine learning in the electrical field. We hope that you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.